Everyone, welcome back. If you do not know, my name is Devon. Here on my channel I cover all things beauty. That includes makeup, fragrance, and designer here and there. If you think that is something you'd be interested in, then I hope you stay and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to click the notification bell so you're notified every week when I upload. And today's super simple lip combo is going to be my e.l.f. lip liner yet again. This is the Cream Glide lip liner, and this one is in dark cocoa, so it's just a really dark chocolate brown. And over top I am wearing my Fenty Luminizing Oil Gloss, and this one is in Frosted Bun. So this is the one I purchased during the Sephora Spring VIB sale. So yeah, you guys, that is my little lip combo for today's video. You guys, I wanted to do a quick video talking about the brand new Bath and Body Works aromatherapy set. It's called Restore. It's golden cherry, you guys. So I literally only picked up two things from the collection, and I just wanted to give you my thoughts really quickly because I haven't heard too many people talk about this one. So yeah, you guys, if you want to hear my thoughts on this cute little collection, then just keep watching. All right, you guys, so you know it's a brand new collection from Bath and Body Works. I want to say it comes with a shower gel, and I don't know what else it comes with, but I was not interested in the shower gel, so I just picked up the mist as well as the body butter. Now the mist was on sale for $5.95 the other day, but I did have another mist that I ended up taking back that I never used, that I didn't like, so I got this for free, as well as I had a body butter that I ended up taking back that I hadn't used it. So I was like, I'm taking both of these back, I don't need them. And I wanted to get this set because I haven't really heard that many people talk about them, and the things that I heard were not really good. So first we're going to go ahead and start off with the spray. This is called Golden Cherry, and it says a fragrance with the notes of warm woods and tart cherry for cozy, dreamy scent. Now when I seen this was another cherry scent, for some reason I was thinking like you know, the normal cherry scents that they have, so the sweetheart cherry or something like that. To me this is a little bit different, and I didn't smell it in the store. I just grabbed it and I was like, come on, you're coming home with me. Y'all, why do I like this collection? I might be one of the very few people that actually like this collection. I'm gonna go ahead and spray it in here. I'm gonna go ahead and smell it. The few people that I did see talk about this said that they didn't get any of the cherry in there, which is why I was a little taken back, because I was like, it's a cherry scent, so how does it not have cherry? Y'all, this has cherry. This definitely has cherry. Now, is it like a super bright, prominent cherry? I don't think so. I definitely pick up the cherry in here. This is definitely a sweet tart cherry. Does that make sense? It almost reminds me a little bit of a cherry icy. It has a little bit of that in here, mixed with a little bit of some sandalwood, but I get a lot of the cherry note in here, and I'm so surprised to hear people say that they don't pick it up. Like, I don't know what you guys are smelling, but I get the cherry. It's not super loud and heavy. It's not giving like those, you know, dupe cherries that they are trying to dupe, like the Tom Ford Lost cherry and stuff like that, but I get the cherry note in here. It's a very tart cherry, but it's like a sweet tart cherry. Again, it reminds me a little bit of a cherry icy, but in the best way. It's not like, it's so weird because it's like, it's sweet, but it's not like candy sweet. It's not candy sweet, but it's still sweet. It's a tart sweet cherry. I don't know how to describe it outside of that being that. So I'm not sure why people are saying that they don't pick up the cherry. Now this is one I haven't put on my actual skin yet, and I am going to try this out. I might try this tonight or writing something in, but I definitely smell the cherry in here, and I like this. So far I'm thinking I would pick up a backup of this because I like the cherry note. Now as far as this, even before I seen that people were saying they were not picking up the cherry note in here, I was going to still get this because it has magnesium in here, and magnesium is supposed to be good for your body. So this says a woody warm cherry. So I don't know if it's exactly like the spray, because the spray says a tart cherry. So we're going to see. I get cherry in here. Let me just put a little, I don't want to, but I'm gonna just put a little bit on my hand because I don't want it to be too cherry. I'll just put a little bit on my hand. I smell the cherry. I smell the cherry. It's definitely a woody cherry. It's not, reminds me a little bit of this spray. The spray I feel like is a little sweeter. The body cream can just, it's like I smell the cherry in the body cream, but it's not as sweet as the cherry in the spray. But y'all, I don't know what y'all were saying. I don't know what people were thinking or what they were saying or what they feel about this one, but I like this one. I like this one. And this is one that I know, first of all, I love the body butters. Like, they could do away with the body creams and just do body butters. Like, I want a body butter in everything. In all my favorite scents, I want body butters. So I wish they did more body butters. I'm actually really happy that this is a body butter and not like a shimmer butter or body shimmer or whatever it is where they have all the damn glitter in here. I'm glad this doesn't have any glitter. This is literally just a really nice, thick, creamy consistency. I really like this. If you have some sort of like oil, you can drop some oil in here and or just drop the oil in your hand, like a cherry oil. Yeah, I like this set. I can't believe y'all had me really nervous to go get this. Like, I seen a couple of my girls on Instagram say that like they didn't get the cherry note, they didn't like it, and I'm getting cherry. So I don't know if it's one that needs to sit a little bit, because y'all know a lot of fragrances be needing to macerate. So I don't know if this is one of those things that needs to sit and just do its thing or whatever, but I enjoy this one. I really think that this is a really nice set. I want to go back and see what else they have in this, because I literally just grabbed the spray and the body butter. I don't know if they have scrubs. If they have a scrub, I would get the scrub. I don't know that I need the shower gel. I just don't. I know I'm not going to get the shower gel. But yeah, you guys, I like this one. This is a nice collection. So yeah, you guys, that is it. Those are my thoughts. I just wanted to let you guys know how I felt about this little collection. And if you guys have smelt them, what do you think? Do you like it? Do you get the cherry? Yeah, I'm still smelling the cap. I still get the tart cherry, so I like this one. So that is it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in another video. Bye guys.